Little Bill in the house, let's go, let's go. Little Bill in the house, let's go. Hey, little Bill in the house, let's go, let's go. Little Bill in the house, let's go, let's little Bill, little Bill in the house, let's go, let's go. Little Bill in the house, let's go. Hey, little Bill in the house, let's go, let's go. Little Bill in the house, let's go. All right, Glam Crew. Y'all know I'm extra. I'm gonna do a wig review. These wigs look cute. Can I say that? Redo. These wigs look good. Stay tuned. Watch the full video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. This is my honest opinion and honest review, and I'm gonna give y'all the real deal. If it's tangling, shredded, and bop bop and we bopping while we out eating, I'm gonna let y'all know. All right. What's up, Glam Crew? It's your girl, Nikki the Glam Teacher. All right, so right now I'm looking like Little Bill. Little Bill. But I'm a cute little Bill, right? I got some hair. Little Bill don't got no hair. I got a little bit of hair, right? A little bit, little something, something. Okay. Don't play with me, Glam Crew. I'm about to transform from Little Bill to Bad D. All right? Bad D. Because I have a wig review from a company called Irresistibly Me. Vegan fiber wigs. They are affordable and easy to style, put on, wear, and go. Because I'm not a hair girly. I'm not a girly girl. I just like to throw it on and go. No fuss, just, do a little and go. That's all I can do. So, if you're looking for affordable wigs, all right, if you're looking for easy to throw on and go wigs, here you go. And don't y'all come in these comments talking about just wear your natural hair and I like to change up my hair. I like to be free, do what makes me happy, what makes me feel beautiful. And if you're new to my channel, okay, I need you to know that on my channel, we talk about everything body positive, traveling, fashion, food, self-love, being confident and happy with yourself wholeheartedly. So, wearing wigs is what makes me happy, so that's what I'm going to do. Let's unbox the first one, okay? Now, Irresistible, on the packaging, as you can see, it's super cute, all right? It has care tips right here. Easy to read, understand, and follow care tips. If you want your hair to last long, you need to take care of this hair and your hair, okay? Tip. So it also has some details on it. 100% vegan fiber. Pre-styled on trend. HD transparent lace. Zero stress transformation. Recyclable packaging. Make sure y'all recycling, all right? Let's pull her out. This is a beautiful ginger color. Like I said, I am not a stylist. I like easy to wear and go wigs. I don't like nothing that's gonna tangle up. And I kind of got a big head. So let's just throw it on and see if it's gonna fit my head. I do like that it has the clips on the inside here. So you can adjust it to your head size. So, and it also has the little clips that you slide in and under. So it has the side clips by your ears and the side clips in the back. And I'm gonna throw it on and show y'all. Make sure you tuck your real hair underneath. Okay, Sasha? You can put the clips in after you cut the lace and style it. I just want to make sure that it fits my head. Yep, it fits pretty good. I'm gonna pull it down further when I install it. I am just gonna cut the lace. Don't cut all the lace off, y'all. Just cut like around the headline. I like to leave a little bit of lace to glue down, and it even goes back here. So yeah, this lace look good. So I'm not gonna have to do too much blending with that lace. So that is good. So this is how this one looks, long and flowy. This jumpsuit is a little big, so This one is 32 inches. 32. Ooh, I love this ginger color on me. So let me unbox the next one. And I'm gonna show you all how I style my wigs. A really simple, quick, and easy process. Anyone can do it. I do it. And when I tell you I'm not a hairstylist or a hair person, I throw my wigs on and go. I was actually on the verge of going to cut my hair, and I went to the barbershop, and little buddy told me he wasn't gonna cut my hair. I wanted a pixie cut, y'all. He said he wouldn't. But don't worry, I'm gonna go back and flirt with him some more. Tell him about himself. So this is a cute, fun, bouncy, curly wig. It feels very soft. I love how the curls are just bouncing in place. Yes. And it don't have no weird, nasty smell. It smells really good. I love that. You know, sometimes some wigs be stinky. They don't stink. So let me take this off and put this one on. All right, so here is the next wig, and I'm going to try this on. I have my daughter over there cutting the lace off, finished cutting the lace off of that for me, just so time can go a little faster because we are going to go eat. Yes, I'm about to throw on my wig and wear it out, and you know, just see how it flow, if it can blow in the wind. And I'm going to let you know if there's any tangles or hair issues that may come about. So this is my honest opinion and honest review, and I'm gonna give y'all the real deal. If it's tangling, shredded, and bop bop and bop while we out eating, I'm gonna let y'all know. All right. So let me try this on and make sure that I put the straps. Like I said, this one has adjustable straps as well, so you can make it tighter or looser to fit your head. And it also has like a silicone base on it right here, so it's not going to be sliding and lifting and moving around, which is really nice. And I see here in the lace that it does come already parted. It's pre-parted, and here's how it looks on my skin. Well, y'all gonna see when I put it on. Now, I do not wear wig caps. If you wear a wig cap, that's going to be fine, or you can put a little bit of makeup on it. I'm gonna teach y'all a trick, okay? I'm gonna teach y'all a trick. If you don't have makeup and all that stuff, you know what them people use to spray and temporarily cover up gray hairs? Okay, so here is the root cover up. I use dark brown. You're gonna turn your wig inside out. Well, you don't even have to turn it, just spray it from the inside. I did one coat already. I have my towel down. I did one coat already. I'm just gonna do a second coat on it because I like it dark, and I don't wear wig caps. Now, if you wear wig caps, you probably could even skip this step. So just spray it. And spray the lace that you're gonna have out. I leave just a little bit of lace on my wigs, and then you can also cut the lace. So my daughter did the cutting on the other one, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this one. And you just cut the lace like that. Y'all see how I'm cutting it? And I try to keep a little bit on there and still have it like a little natural headline. Put it on and go. Not too much you need to do. Cut your lace how you like it. Tint your part how you like it. Throw it on. Okay, so I cut the ears, the lace on the ears. So it fits good on your ears. Just make sure it's straight. It has the little tabs where you can make it straight. I've had wigs where some days I wanted to do a side part and just turn it to the side. It may feel a little weird on your ears, but bam. If you want to do like, let me pull this up. If you want to do like a clip, oh, this will be cute. Can you get me a clip?
Yeah, that's cute. Like pink.
In my little hair box in the bathroom. Do like a little clip like this, and then pull some little curls down on your face. That's cute. I'm gonna pull this back a little. Okay, so I had to pull it back. Now it's on my headline. That'll work too. A little bill in this thing. Let's go, let's go. I love how the colors are mixed.
Yeah, it is pretty with the mixing colors. So.
Thanks, baby. So, like I said, I'm gonna tell you again, I'm not no stylist. I just like to throw it on and go and make it look cute. Dress it up and make it look real for them. Get y'all a little close up. Y'all see the colors? The colors are nice, nice. The curls are bounce, bounce. And you see the part where I put the spray? Y'all see it? Yeah. Now this right here is my scalp. Let me pull this back just a little bit more. Bam. I got a big forehead. You know what they say about girls with big foreheads, right? Yeah, me either. I love this. This right here, no tangles. Run your fingers straight through it. The curls are staying. They're bouncing. Let me know in the comments what you think about this wig. Make sure you shop, use my discount code that I will put here so you can get a discount. There's a link in the description box. You can go shop, get you some cute vegan fiber wigs. Thank you for watching. And stay tuned because I'm going to come back and tell you how the ginger wig went. Thanks, Glam Crew. So I just came back from running a few errands and getting some dinner, and this is how the wig is holding up. I haven't combed it, ran my fingers through or anything, and it's tangled slightly in the back, and that's mainly because of my jacket too. The type of jacket that I had on did rub up against it roughly, but I like it. It's looking cute. Definitely a good buy to switch up your look and have a quick something to throw on and go. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye, and thank you for watching. Okay, bye.